What's going on, everyone? AI is the future, and this next project is taking it up a notch with giving data to these companies so they don't get sued. Let's get into it. This is insane. Rivals Network secured $9 million to advance AI Intel infrastructure. This is just insane press release. You don't want to miss this project. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see that they've already raised $9 million in the rounding fund with all of these major backers. So as you can see, this diagram, pretty insane stuff what they're doing. They have a lot going on, and we're going to give it to you right now. What's going on, everyone? This is Rivals. It's pioneering the future of AI data in a decentralized fashion, which I love. They're using DeepIn, rollup apps, all sorts of different AI applications to focus on giving the data, to really just filtering the data so that it's solid for companies to build off of. As you can see, they are having a testnet already, which is pretty sweet. Intel incentivized testnet now available. Deploy, build, get grants. So their core offering is an AI Intel layer, a decentralized network that provides trusted data sources and intelligence for AI applications. With data processing and storage, they'll use valid data storages with processing so that it gives people, it's not stored in one storage facility, it's decentralized. They also have solutions followed by DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, and just much more. I think that it is important to go over the three core offerings that they do have. They have R client, Z nodes, and they have the final, which is RITS, which is the AI ecosystem. So to sum it up, our client is really just for all users, this lightweight data storage it's contributing to the network. Z nodes are for holders, providing data validation and controlling quality control, crucial for network security. And then finally, the RIS token, which is the backbone of the ecosystem. And it's meant for all holders, but it's to decentralize the ecosystem so that more people have the token itself. And as you can see right here, available for everyone, Z nodes key required, the network or the RIS token. The utility is data supply infrastructure, AI applications, access to data and intel, and stake and upgrade to earn those rewards. So you can definitely get on the action, getting on those Z nodes as a creator. Coming up soon, apply as an investor, as a creator. So they are going to have incentives for testing the testnet with all sorts of rewards in the RIS token. The upcoming future launch of the nodes, which we just saw right here, the Q4 in the to get those node sales. They are having their ecosystem, which is RE-ReCo, and then RNet, which is a AI agent, DeFi, and really just another layer. And then obviously the RNet, which is more of a neural network infrastructure powering AI agents. So pretty cool stuff. I can't wait to see all of the stuff that they're going to be doing. If we look at the tests, I think they have a white paper here. So you can see that they have all sorts of different utility. They have with RNet comes Mage and then clones. Both are different things. One is a license to the world of AI in the form of a tokenized AI persona, which is your clone. And then obviously the Mage is a cross-chain infrastructure AI agent hub built using Metamorphosis, a AI agent wireframe. These are for cross-chain communications, intelligence on cross-chain assets, module intelligence. I think this is just amazing. The overview, let's check out the overview. As you can see, they have DeepIn, R nodes, Z nodes, AI layer, and then third-party applications and data. So pretty, I mean, the visuals, the branding, everything with Rivals is top-notch. So as you can see, this is how the system goes. You should definitely check out their testnet because it is now live. Participating in the testnet, users can earn testnet points. These will directly dictate the Rival airdrop that you will receive in Q4. So there's a hint, airdrop coming. You heard it here. So take part, get some free money running our client setup and manage your R client to support the network, complete social challenges, minting data, fragment NFTs. Join the testnet, which is right here. Proceed to connect social points. I mean, they have a great system here. Connects and get bonus points, fragment, badges, social points, referral points, client points, and you can see how many points are going. So lots of points going on. Seems like a lot of you guys can earn some great money. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about AI agents and the data that is going to be
used by this company to be supplied to third-party companies to bring the AI world to life.
Remember to join the testnet. Also, the node sales start September 10th, so just around the corner, and don't want to miss it. We are also giving a gold pass away on the channel, and my creator code is in the description, so you can save 10% off on the node sales, so you don't want to miss that.
So I'm very excited about this. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.